Hey.
Hi. Good boy. Is that comfortable? Buddy.
Good job.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
This is how I kiss doggies. Anybody hungry? Anybody sleepy? Anybody highly overweight? Hey Fluffy, I'm gonna eat all your treats.
This is how I kiss doggies.
Covered it with what?
Covered it with cat treats.
Yeah.
Then guess what?
What?
I gave it to the cat.
If you stop fighting, I'll give you a treat.
Come on, no, right here. Come on.
Of us, and what we're going to do is get Susie to have a little talk to us about her Liam burgers, how well she's done today, and what else she does with them. So, don't ever work
That's how my dog sits.
Chubbs, who's here? Who's here? Someone's here! Someone's here!
Get the drink out, please. Get the drink. Good boy. Get it. Good boy. Come on, good boy.
Oh my god!
Hands up. Bang!
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
This does not make sense whatsoever.
Okay, you gotta look good for this picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
I'm really bloated today.
Got in, and when make it, take a look at 1 extra mile and only mother's.
What was that? Nothing is stealing food out of your bowl.
Kaiser. Smile. Show me your smile. Smile. Oh, so handsome.
Charlie the mad puppy doesn't like when people touch him.